I hope I don't fuck up too hard. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft 1.8.1 server. So first things first, what you need to do is download the server files. First problem which people encounter is that they download the .exe file. For Mac, you must download the jar file, so we'll do that now. Okay, a warning may come up here. It's just a warning to say that the file that you're downloading can create files. But that doesn't matter because it's safe. Okay, so now we've got to make a new folder. Let's call this folder my server. Okay, now you can name it whatever you want, but I want you to drag the jar into here. Okay, now if we go in here, it's just the jar file. I want you to rename the jar file server.jar. Okay, just do that for me, because then the command prompts won't work. Okay, so the reason why this is so hard for Mac is because you need to create the start file yourself. To do this, you need to open text edit. Okay, you're greeted with this window. What you need to do is go to Format, Make Plain Text. This is now plain text. This is what you need in order to make the server file. So I'm just gonna grab the code from my old server, but this is what you need. You don't really need this bit. All you need is that bit which isn't highlighted. Although including this makes it a lot more smoother. To edit RAM and such, you need these two digits are what you need to change. So I'm gonna run my server with 2 gigabytes. Some people could run it with 4, and then you change both of these to 4. But we're gonna run it with 2. So right, so we're gonna copy this. I'll put all the code in the description, so you'll be able to copy it really easily. And we're gonna open that text edit file. Sorry. We're gonna paste it in. Okay, we're gonna now name it. Let's go and name it start.command. Okay, you can name this bit whatever you want. The start, you can name it play. You can name it whatever you want. But it needs to be a command file, and we're gonna put that in the my server file, because that's the name of the thing, of the file where you put your jar into. So we're gonna save this. This just keep as normal. Okay, now it's saved. Okay, if we double click it, it says you don't have privileges. To get privileges, you must open terminal. To find terminal, you type terminal into the search. It's right there. Okay, and then you have to type. Now listen very carefully, because this is where people screw up. You have to type chmod a plus x. Now don't do anything. You have to add another space. Okay, and then you have to drag the start.command into here. That's just a quick way of telling the terminal what file you need to have permissions for. Okay, if you did it correctly, it should display nothing, apart from this obviously, but it shouldn't say like error or anything like that. It should just be like that. If you did it correctly, it should look like this, with the exception of the name of the computer. That that's just your name for your computer. So we close that, open my server, double click start command. We are now starting our server. Okay. Now the first time you do this, it'll not work. Okay, so now we've got to close. It will try and reboot itself, but we just close it instantly once it generates these files here. The reason why it didn't work is because we haven't agreed to the rules, which are only created once you try and run it. So to agree to the rules, you must go to the EULA bit equals, and then you must type in true. Okay, true. Now, if we close that, we can now start the server again. Now we just wait until it loads, and now it will start making our world, our spawn area, as such. Okay, so that's now working. Might take a while on the first run, as it makes the world. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So now it generates all the server properties and all those files which you're used to. Now, go and get Minecraft. Open Minecraft. Okay. Wait until that loads. And now we need to get a program called Hamachi. To get Logman Hamachi, what you need to do is just look it up. So let's go login Hamachi. And it should appear anytime soon. There we go. And then download Logman Hamachi. You download the unmanaged one, okay? Okay, so now I'll leave the link in the description. Now we need to play. So now I'm gonna download that, and now that will load up. Okay, so our server is still running in the background, and to get the IP for our server, we open Logman Hamachi, and it's everything before the slash, okay? That is your IP. Alright, so now we'll just load up, and there you go. As you can see, it's my IP. And there you go. There you are. Now you can, now this is definitely 1.8.1 because you can, well, it's definitely a server because you can't open it to LAN, and, yeah. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.